Hello all. Boy, do I ever have a mixed bag range trip for you today. I had the afternoon to myself. Seth went with a friend to go play airsoft, and I had done the repair to that 1851 revolver. I wanted to test that. I had made some reloads for 300 Savage using that NOA bullet mold that I have that I really like. I had such good results with it in 308. I really wanted to try it out in 300, and took Pap Wagner's old Model 99 out, and boy, I was pretty pleased. It shot well. A little low, but that's kind of to be expected. I haven't messed with these sights at all from, I guess, from when he had it. I don't believe anybody's ever touched the sights. But shot the 32 Special. In fact, the opening you'll see is a box of 32 Special silver tips that M1A2 Abrams tank sent to me, the Tactical Rabbit. And he had torn them down for me, but sent me the bullets, so I reloaded those with some IMR 3031 last night. And just 3 shots with that, 3 shots with this. Test fired that cap and ball revolver. I did a little bit of shooting with the Brawler. I just dropped the scope on it and just kind of looked down through the barrel to see if it was, kind of in the general area. I figured I had a big piece of cardboard, and wherever it was going to hit was going to be, pretty good. And I only got 1 shot on the cardboard, so I'll have to revisit that, try to do something better. That scope was really just not put together very well and kind of rigged up. But I did get to fire it at one big, like 4x4 piece of cardboard to see how much that pattern spread. And boy, it does. At about 10 yards, it was a good 4-foot wide pattern. And I fired 3 shots, and there was a little bit of a concentration, sort of a little bit upper left to the center point where I was aiming at. But it still would give somebody a really bad day at that close of a range, so certainly wouldn't want to be on the receiving end of it. But I thought I'd share this with you. It was a decent enough afternoon. We had a little bit of rain, finally cooled off a little tiny bit. And, well, I hope everybody has a good week ahead. Don't forget, tomorrow is September 11th, and we should all remember and never forget. It's been a big life changer for a lot of us, and maybe I'll share that story sometime. Have a great week, everybody.
Oh, okay. Oh, you're a little high there. You're on the edge. Oh, they're way down there. Clear. There was 2 blocks of it. Somebody's stealing the road. Hey, where's the volume control on that?
Over here.
Did you use all shotgun or a little bit of both? Yes. Oh, you used all the 45.
I'm going to use this after a few minutes.
What's that? Oh, 10 mil. Oh, that's yours.
You would shoot 10 mil.
Oh, okay. Yeah, 410.
Well, 50 yards with the 32 special there on the left, and there's the 300 Savage on the right. It's not too terrible a group. A little low.
Down here you can. Right
Well,
here. This is right.
If it's shooting these, I'm sure it's going to shoot those. All right,
Big bullets.
look out.
You shooting the same round, didn't you? Oh, that's not too bad. Whoa.
Yeah, it
Excuse me, is that,
That's a hell of
before
an
you close
extractor.
that, don't close. Is that a single feed, one shot at a time?
Yep.
Huh? Okay, thanks for showing.
Yeah.
Think I can find a scope to put on this? I can hit that target sometimes.
Well, this is the first I put a scope on this. I did have a pretty large red dot, and it worked up close, but I'm curious to see what this thing does from 50 yards.
So how does it look now? Does it look
I can't tell.
okay? I didn't bring my bionic eye.
Yeah, me neither. I don't know why. And I should have, because I'm trying to try to sight this in.
Well, I can stand up there and
I'll shoot a whizzle
I'll
by you.
wave yes.
Yeah.
or no.
Hold the thing up.
Oh, remember that in New York? They would pull the target down and
Well, that 45 Colt, I was aiming at this target and it hit down there. So this thing wasn't even really bore sighted, it was just kind of put on. I figured maybe they would hit sort of the same area, but they didn't. All six. Aiming dead center, and it's spread all the way.
That's what, 10 yards?
10 yards, a 4-foot wide pattern. That was 3 shots. It is kind of concentrated there.
Yeah.
It wouldn't feel good.
No, it wouldn't.